Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I did this look in about 15 minutes. This is my kind of go-to makeup look if I am rushed, if my friends say they're on their way to pick me up and I just got home from work, but I wanted to put on makeup instead. So with that, let's just get straight into the video. Alright, so let's just get started with the makeup. I already have moisturizer and sunscreen on and I'm going to set a timer. Let's see how long it takes me to do my makeup. Okay, I'm going to start the stopwatch. So first things first, I don't always put on foundation, so I like to just go in with some concealer. I either use the Tarte Shape Tape or the It Cosmetic Bye Bye Under Eyes. I'm going to use the Bye Bye Under Eyes today. I just squeeze a little bit down there. Use my fingers and then blend it out. Also, excuse my chickens, they are crowing outside, if you can hear them. I'll bring some right here too, have a little blemish. Okay, I'm actually going to use the Tarte one as well today. I have a little bit of redness on my cheeks. I'm just going to put a little bit here. Once I have the concealer on, I just take some powder, so either a loose powder or the L'Oreal Infallible. Actually, use both. Take the loose powder first on this sponge. Tap it on the under eyes. And then I take the same sponge, go into the Infallible. And this is where I get a little bit more coverage on the rest of my face. Even out my skin tone a little bit. Just gonna brush everything out. And then from there, we're just gonna move on to some brows. We are already at 3 minutes. I thought I did my makeup way faster than this. I actually already have my eyebrows powdered, so I just follow the shape it has. Here. Are the brows, and then I will do mascara. Alright, I'm gonna pause the timer. Stop. So this is the look that I would just go to work with because I can care less. I just like to put a little bit of makeup on, and it took me about 5 minutes, a little bit more than 5 minutes. So I usually just put on concealer, my eyebrows, and mascara for work, but we're not going to work today, so I'm going to continue putting the rest of my makeup on. So this is going to be a look where if I have plans with my friends and I told them I was ready, even though I didn't have any makeup on yet, and I wanted to wear makeup that day. So we have the base on. Usually coming back from work, I already have this base on, so we're just going to continue adding a little bit more to the eyes and face. Continuing from the 5 minutes and 20 seconds, let's start. Let's go with some highlight. I like having a lot of highlight on, so I just kind of put it on there. And then we're going to go in from some blush. And now moving on to the eyes. Let's see what I want to use today. Where is my eyeshadow palette? Oh, here it is. Just gonna use this little palette since it already has. Just gonna put the shimmery shade out here. Actually, just put it on my whole eyelid. Also, since I am out of my eyeliner right now, I'm just gonna take a dark eyeshadow and line my eyes with that. Okay, so this is how that looks. What else should I do? I honestly, the more time you give me, the more makeup ends up on my face when it comes time to going out. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this little shimmery stick. I don't know exactly what it's called. And we're gonna put it right here on the under eyes. And let's just finish off with a little bit of lip color. So here is the look. So if someone was rushing me out the house, this is the makeup look I would put on if I really needed makeup that day, and it took me about 9 minutes. But of course, if I had a little bit extra time, I would put on a pair of lashes and then call it a day. Alright, and because I don't have someone rushing and waiting on me right now, I am gonna put on the lashes and we're gonna start the timer and see how long lashes take me. Usually the lashes do take me the longest, so we're gonna start that. Take the lashes, put glue on here. We're at 9 minutes, but I feel like we're gonna hit about 15 minutes. So it could be a 15-minute makeup routine. So to save time, I'm actually gonna put glue on both of my lashes first and let them get tacky. So the lashes I am trying on right now is called Daydream from the Petite Club, and I do have a video of me trying on all of the Petite Club lashes that I did buy. I will link it down below, but I tried a couple of lashes from this brand and they're very natural, and that's what I like about it. Gotta wait till this gets tacky. And this is gonna be the longest part of the makeup. We are at about 11 minutes. Got one down. If I have lashes on, I just like to have a little bit more eyeliner on the inside to close up the gap. And because we are only at 14 minutes, I am going to put a little bit of glitter on. Just gonna pat it. Actually over the whole lid because I messed up. I think I'm supposed to put glitter on the outer corners of my eyes and not the inner corners, but there's a different look. Okay, but with that, 15 minutes. So this is the look. Get my hair down. Alright, so this is the final look. It took me about 15 minutes to get. So if I was only going to work, I would have stopped at just the mascara. That took me only about 5 minutes when I do feel like putting on makeup for work. The rest of the makeup took me about another 10 minutes to put on. Usually if I didn't have a time limit on me, I can spend a long time on my makeup, like 30 to 45 minutes. So let me know how long it takes for you to put on makeup if you're going to work, if you wear makeup to work, and how long it takes you to put on makeup if you have no time limit put on you. And with that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!